What are you doing?
Hey guys, it's Harrison with Murphy Power Washing. I'm out here in Decatur, Tennessee today. I'm gonna be doing this driveway in this home right behind me. This house has been vacant for about a year and a half. We're gonna be cleaning up the driveway, cleaning up the house. It's just got some mold and mildew growth all around it. Obviously, nobody's lived in it for a year and a half, so hasn't been much maintenance done, but we're gonna get it shining up and we're gonna get it ready to sell. Front of the home, absolutely beautiful home, right on the river. Like I said, up here in Decatur, just north of Dayton, Tennessee. And I'm gonna zoom you in here and kind of see what we're gonna be cleaning up today. So, as you can see on those gutters, a lot of mildew and like the soffits, a lot of mildew and bacteria buildup. Around the windows, just a lot of, some dirt dauber nests and cobwebs, that kind of thing. We're gonna be performing a soft wash on this today. It's down here on this lower trim board. A lot of buildup down there. You have a second story. Forgive that dog. What are you doing? So right here we have a second story porch with no outside access, so we're gonna have to set up a ladder right here to be able to get up and get over that. No big deal. But yeah, I think this house is really gonna shine. Hopefully it helps it to sell quick. So.